Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Live Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon. So Mr. Leon already come back here in Philippines.
This night I arrived 2 a.m. 2 a.m. I arrived in Manila, and already 3:20 already in Angeles, so fast. Don't have traffic night time. And now we're going to meet with our subscriber. He stay in the ABC hotel. We never seen him. Georgi only meet him in the walking street. And Georgi right now in Vietnamese restaurant, and we're going to restaurant, meet with Georgi, and going to ABC hotel.
Sorry for her voice. Sometimes he remove her voice.
No, it's okay now. It's okay. Already recovery. Okay, let's go to meet with Georgi right now. Inside the restaurant. He drink coffee. I know. Where Georgi? Georgi alone sit. Hi Georgi. How are you? You already finished?
Yeah.
Okay. I will give microphone. I remove from Sharon the microphone. You can talk how you find girls if you find.
No, I did not find.
Don't find. No, it's okay.
Because I have one, she come to my apartment several times in a week.
So always one girl go to meet with you.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So you always meet with one girl just only for money. Don't have normal girl.
Yes, don't have. No, because my friend from Dubai have girl, but she lives every day in his apartment. So I don't like this. I want a girl who will stay in her apartment.
You need to find girl who have work.
Yes.
And she busy with work and come meet with you only sometimes together go to park.
But if she busy in work from morning to evening, maybe she don't have time to go to my...
Meet with you?
Yes.
Okay.
I have give.
Yes.
I give before to her girl.
Yes, I text her.
I give one girl for him. So it's my coworker. So she said the girl said, you say that you have your friend, your boyfriend friend, and I give to Georgi, and I don't know if they already have girlfriend.
Okay, let's go to ABC Hotel because our subscriber waiting is 5:30. Now we already in the ABC Hotel.
Yes, we're here in ABC Hotel already. So we're just gonna meet our
Subscriber, yes.
So let's go.
Our subscriber already wait us in their room. Hi.
Hello.
Shaira, did you been in ABC Hotel before?
No, I not been.
First time.
First time here.
Okay, take a look now. Good evening. I'm also first time in ABC Hotel. I've been in the 5-star hotel only in China, in the Philippines, in Manila only, but in Angeles, first time. What rates now? Yes. Georgi, but you've been already in this hotel, stay in this hotel? In
I
ABC?
was here one night, maybe in 2015 or maybe 2016.
Maybe 7-8 years ago.
Yes, in the cheapest room, it was maybe $100.
Cheapest
No,
room
no, no,
is
maybe not 100, 150 maybe, I don't know. Don't
100.
remember.
So it's cheapest room
Yes,
about
cheapest.
$150.
Yes, but very good and big.
You want again stay here?
I don't think because it's expensive. Yes.
Yes, you can pay because half months.
Yes. Very expensive for me. And in my room now, where I stay, I think everything okay. Big room. So I have high-speed internet.
So all comfortable in your room.
Yes, I think it's okay for this price.
Yeah. No, it's maybe for who rich
Yes,
and
yes.
who want to stay maybe a few days only. It's okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Our subscribers don't want in the video, but we can. He want to show to us his room. This is rooftop. Nice view also here. No.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Then
Yes, like this. Oh, so good. Yeah. Jacuzzi also. Yeah, very nice. Bar. Yeah. Yes, it's Mr. Bean. Shira like Mr. Bean. Yeah, very nice. Very nice room. It's free every day water.
I think not only water.
Not only water. But Georgi, before you stay Georgi said one night already staying.
But I stay in that building opposite.
Another building
It
and
was it was most maybe the same area. But
Yeah, the premier suite. The premier suite. It's without the bar. The same without the bar.
Yes, without the bar, without jacuzzi. But spacious. It's
same.
area the same.
Only
I
don't
think.
have jacuzzi, but same. Yeah, very nice.
Yes, something like this. Yes, and internet also in the room. So my own Wi-Fi router. Yes.
Shira,
Yes,
shy.
good.
Okay, Shira, you go. Okay, take a look faster and go outside. So you like?
yes. I like jacuzzi, but not already white. So it's good here in ABC. But I'm only fear in height only. That's why I cannot take a look the glass.
We are going to rooftop right now.
The monkey.
Oh.
Shira.
Yes. Homo erectus. This one. Where we before we God seem like a woman, like man, we're like this. It's our family, okay?
Okay.
It's our family before. It's
Okay.
our history.
Yes.
So they have also pizza here. Have small restaurant here.
So we're going to rooftop right now.
Yes. It's
Oh.
my first time also.
Машин, интересно. Zinger, maybe. Maybe Zinger. Or not.
I use this one in my.
I know, in your relatives I seen before in the house. All.
Yeah, it's good. I know how to use this one.
Okay.
Every day, yeah.
Because we have planned with my sister. They try to go here.
Where? Here?
Yes, they want, before, it's long time already. So they want to experience the rooftop there in ABC.
Now with your sister.
Yes, even my cousins, my friend, like this, they tried.
Her sister before model. Now she work in customs in Philippines. But before it's model.
His model.
Go up and come.
It's good.
Good? Okay, let's go inside.
You can go first. I don't want to.
Shaira, let's go. Shaira.
Shower ng towel. Shower. Shower.
Another way. It's a swimming pool,
Seem like
1 and 2 meters, 4 feet. It's good view from the rooftop. You can see Candy Tower, Candy Rooftop Bar. No. Cabanas Rooftop Bar, El Vistra, Tiger Hotel. This is Tiger Hotel. Take a look, Shaira, here. Good view also.
that's good view, but I'm scared of fire.
Plus,
It's good here to swim.
yeah, do you like?
Yes, I know how.
Next time, maybe with my friends who won't come.
You want to jump?
No.
You cannot jump here because it's thing little bit high.
Into Sky Bar. Shaira, we going to Sky Bar.
Oh, the bar here.
Uh-huh. I think also good view.
Little bit I can pass down.
Oh, very good. And Sam can see Sam also.
Yes.
Nice view.
I thought it's cheap and stuff, but not cheap.
Sunset right now.
Bracelet.
It's only bracelet, but it's
No.
Sunset in ABC Hotel. You can sit, Shaira, if you're tired.
No, I'm not tired.
Not tired?
I want to eat.
Okay, we can go to eat later. Nice view. Aqua Beach Club is down. Don't have people. Maybe at night many people. Prime City Hotel.
Dirt.
Yes.
Divera Hotel. This is a new shopping center, but I don't know. It's not easy to go inside. Because many people don't know where can park. That's why empty. Shaira, did you been in this new shopping center?
No. Maybe it's not so many shopping there inside or like shop
Because
there.
most of people going to the
SM.
SM.
If I watch right now in the down, ooh,
Afraid? Same.
not afraid, like you have fear of high. You cannot like
This is Genesis bus in the parking. This is bus going to airport, Manila airport, this bus. Yesterday I take bus from Manila airport to SM Clark. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes only ride. It's so faster. Okay, let's go.
let's go, we go down.
Where you want it, Shaira? Kimchi?
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay.
Because I'm hungry right now. I
Okay,
need to-
say thank you for subscribers. I also say thank you guys for watching. Sorry for my English, but I try to speak slowly. Maybe you understand me, maybe not. But I hope most of subscribers understand me, because I understand if I can speak English, but not easy for camera for me, because sometimes I don't know, I forgot what I need to say. But Shaira can talk with.
Yes, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.